Hey Tech Tribe! Welcome back to Tech Tribe Gadgets, the go-to channel for all things tech. Today we have something extra special for you. We're diving into the world of aquatic tech with our top 20 gadgets and tech accessories that you absolutely must check out before taking a dip in the water. So, grab your snorkels because it's about to get exciting. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Scuba Rattlestick Aluminum Alloy Underwater Shaker. First up on our list is the Scuba Rattlestick Aluminum Alloy Underwater Shaker. This little gadget isn't just about making noise underwater, it's a versatile tool that adds a musical twist to your dives. Perfect for alerting your dive buddy or even attracting marine life. Let's dive into the details. The aluminum alloy construction ensures durability, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. It's more than just a noisemaker. It's your underwater communication companion. Number 2. Scuba Diving Shorts with Pocket 2 mm Neoprene Tech Shorts. Next on our list, we have the Scuba Diving Shorts with Pocket. These 2 MMA Neoprene Tech Shorts aren't just about style. Though they look fantastic, they also bring practicality to your underwater adventures. Let's explore why these shorts are a game changer. The neoprene material ensures flexibility, and the built-in pocket provides a secure place for your essentials. Convenience meets style, making these shorts a must-have for any diver or snorkeler. Number 3. 4K Underwater Drone with Robotic Arm AI Vision. Now, get ready to be amazed by our third pick. The 4K Underwater Drone with a robotic arm and AI vision. It's not just a drone, it's your underwater cameraman with a robotic twist. Let's dive into the world of underwater cinematography. The 4K camera ensures crystal clear footage, and the robotic arm allows for interactive exploration. Capture stunning visuals and even interact with the marine world. It's like having your own underwater filmmaker. Number 4. Camera Buoyancy Wrist Strap Diving. Safety meets innovation with our fourth pick, the Camera Buoyancy Wrist Strap. For all you photography enthusiasts, this accessory is designed to keep your camera secure and afloat. Let's see how it takes your underwater photography to the next level. The adjustable strap provides a secure fit, keeping your camera at arm's reach. No more worries about losing your precious equipment underwater. It's a simple yet essential accessory for every underwater photographer. Number 5. 3mm Neoprene Hand-Free Light Holder Glove. Light up your underwater adventures with our fifth pick. The 3mm Neoprene Hand-Free Light Holder Glove. Navigating in the dark just got easier. Let's explore how this glove adds an illuminating touch to your dives. The neoprene material ensures a comfortable fit, and the built-in light holder keeps your surroundings well lit. It's perfect for night dives or exploring dark caverns. Illuminate your path with this innovative glove. Number 6. Smart Digital Display Electronic LED Screen. Now, let's move on to our sixth pick, the Smart Digital Display Electronic LED Screen. It's not just a sleek addition to your dive gear, it's a tech-savvy companion that enhances your underwater experience. Let's see how this LED screen brings a futuristic touch to your dives. With real-time data displayed on the LED screen, you can keep track of your depth, dive time, and more. It's like having your own personal dive computer strapped to your wrist. Stay informed and stay safe with this smart underwater gadget. Number 7. Boat Navigation LED Lights. Red-green side marker. Surface activities are just as important. And our seventh pick, the Boat Navigation LED lights with red-green side markers ensures safety on the water. Let's explore how these lights add visibility to your aquatic adventures. Whether you're on a boat or just enjoying a swim near the shore, these LED lights provide visibility and indicate the direction of the boat with red and green markers. A simple yet effective addition for a safer and more enjoyable experience on the surface. Number 8. Electric Underwater Scooter. Smart? Ready for some underwater fun? Our 8th pick, the Electric Underwater Scooter. Smart brings a whole new level of excitement to your aquatic explorations. Let's dive into the details of this smart underwater companion. With its smart design and powerful motor, this underwater scooter is perfect for snorkeling or diving. It adds an element of excitement to your underwater exploration, allowing you to cover more ground without exerting too much effort. Number 9. Underwater Scooter Diving Equipment. Snorkeling. Our 9th pick is designed for both divers and snorkelers, the Underwater Scooter Diving Equipment. Let's explore how this gadget takes your underwater adventures to new depths, quite literally. Glide through the water effortlessly with this underwater scooter. It's compact, easy to use, and a game changer for anyone who wants to explore the depths without the need for extensive training. Snorkelers, this one's for you too. Number 10. Inflatable PVC electric sea scooter and water jet. Speaking of accessibility, our 10th pick is perfect for those who are always on the go. The inflatable PVC electric sea scooter and water jet. This inflatable sea scooter is not just fun, it's portable and ready for your aquatic adventures wherever you go. Whether you're at the pool, the beach, or a remote water location, this inflatable sea scooter is your ticket to aquatic adventures on the fly. It's compact, lightweight, and adds an element of playfulness to your water escapades. Let's see how this inflatable wonder makes a splash in your water-filled excursions. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Your support means everything to us. Number 11. Sea Scooter Boat, 15 km/h max speed motorized battery. Ready to kick it up a notch? Our 11th pick is the Sea Scooter Boat, boasting a 15 km/h max speed and a motorized battery. It's not just a sea scooter, it's a high-speed aquatic vehicle that will take your water adventures to new extremes. Hold on tight as you zip through the water with incredible speed. The motorized battery ensures a thrilling ride, making you feel like you're flying underwater. It's not just a sea scooter, it's a watercraft that brings a whole new level of excitement to your aquatic explorations. Number 12. Intelligent Electric SUP Surfboard. Underwater Scooter. Our 12th pick is the epitome of intelligence in aquatic exploration. The Intelligent Electric SUP Surfboard Underwater Scooter. This high-tech marvel combines the thrill of surfing with the convenience of an underwater scooter, giving you an unparalleled experience. Join me as we dive into the innovative features that make this SUP surfboard a game-changer for water enthusiasts. Whether you're catching waves on the surface or exploring the depths below, this intelligent electric SUP surfboard provides a dynamic and unique aquatic experience. It's perfect for those who crave excitement and innovation in every water adventure. Number 13. Wearable Underwater Sea Scooter. If you're all about hands-free adventures, our 13th pick, the Wearable Underwater Sea Scooter, is designed just for you. This compact and wearable gadget allows you to effortlessly glide through the water, leaving your hands free to capture the beauty around you. Dive into the details with me as we explore the possibilities of this hands-free underwater experience. With this wearable sea scooter, you'll feel like you're part of the ocean's currents. The compact design and intuitive controls make it a breeze to navigate, giving you the freedom to focus on the underwater wonders. It's not just a scooter, it's an extension of your underwater exploration. Number 14. Professional 4.2 miles per hour. Electric Underwater Scooter. Get ready to up your diving game with our 14th pick. The Professional 4.2 miles per hour Electric Underwater Scooter. This powerhouse is built for speed, precision, and durability, making it an essential companion for professional divers. Let's delve into the features that make this underwater scooter stand out among the rest. With a top speed of 4.2 miles per hour, this electric underwater scooter is a force to be reckoned with. Whether you're exploring underwater caves or chasing marine life, this gadget ensures you cover more ground efficiently. It's not just a scooter, it's a tool for the serious underwater adventurer. Number 15. Dual Motor Sports Diving Equipment. Scooter. Our 15th pick is a testament to the fusion of power and control. The Dual Motor Sports Diving Equipment Scooter. With dual motors providing unparalleled thrust, this scooter lets you navigate the underwater world with ease. Join me as we explore the dynamics of this high-performance diving equipment. With dual motors driving you through the water, this scooter offers an unmatched level of control and speed. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just starting, the dual motor design ensures a smooth and exhilarating underwater experience. It's not just a scooter, it's a precision instrument for underwater mobility. Number 16. Waterproof 2-in-1 duffel bag cell phone bag. Now, let's shift our focus to practicality with our 16th pick. The waterproof 2-in-1 duffel bag and cell phone bag. Keeping your belongings dry is crucial, and this accessory does just that, ensuring your essentials and gadgets are protected while you make a splash. Let's take a closer look at this waterproof wonder. Whether you're on a boat, at the beach, or simply poolside, this waterproof duffel bag keeps your valuables safe and dry. But wait, there's more. It also comes with a dedicated cell phone bag, allowing you to capture those water moments without worrying about water damage. It's not just a bag, it's a guardian for your essentials. Number 17. Large LED beach ball. With remote control, let's inject some fun into our aquatic adventures with our 17th pick, the large LED beach ball with remote control. This inflatable wonder adds a whole new level of excitement to your beach days or pool parties. Get ready for some illuminated aquatic fun. Imagine a beach ball that not only floats but also lights up the night. With customizable colors and patterns controlled by a remote, this LED beach ball turns your ordinary water activities into a vibrant light show. It's not just a ball, it's a party essential for your aquatic gatherings. Number 18. Swimming nose clip earplug set. Now, let's talk comfort and convenience with our 18th pick. The swimming nose clip earplug set. Tired of water creeping into your nose and ears during a swim? This set provides a simple yet effective solution, ensuring a comfortable and hassle-free swimming experience. Let's dive into how this accessory keeps you focused on the fun, rather than unwanted water intrusion. Whether you're doing laps in the pool or enjoying a leisurely swim, this nose clip and earplug set creates a watertight seal, preventing water from entering your nasal passages and ears. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to uninterrupted water enjoyment. It's not just a set, it's your ticket to a more enjoyable swim. Number 19. Swimming finger webbed gloves. Frog hand gear. Our 19th pick is all about enhancing your swimming performance. The swimming finger webbed gloves, also known as frog hand gear. Channel your inner amphibian and experience increased speed and agility in the water. Join me as we explore how these webbed gloves revolutionize the way you move through the aquatic world. Slip on these webbed gloves and you'll feel the immediate difference in your swimming performance. Mimicking the webbed structure of a frog's feet, these gloves provide additional surface area, allowing you to glide through the water with ease. It's not just a pair of gloves, it's your aquatic propulsion system. Number 20. Disposable ear protection stickers, bathing swimming earmuffs. And now, for our grand finale, our 20th and final pick is adjust based on the product name. Stay tuned as we unravel the features, benefits, and the wow factor that makes this gadget a standout choice for your aquatic adventures. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Ever had water-clogged ears after a swim? Say goodbye to that inconvenience with these disposable ear protection stickers. They adhere securely to your ears, creating a barrier that keeps water out without compromising your hearing. It's a game changer for swimmers who want to enjoy the water without the post-swim discomfort. Woo! That concludes our deep dive into the top 20 gadgets and tech accessories that you absolutely must check out before taking a swim. From underwater drones to inflatable sea scooters, each of these gadgets brings its unique flair to the world of aquatic tech. I hope you enjoyed this journey through innovation and exploration. Now, Tech Tribe, it's your turn. Which of these gadgets caught your attention the most? Do you already own any of them? Or are there other underwater tech gems we should explore in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Tech Tribe Gadgets for more exciting reviews. And of course, hit that notification bell so you're always the first to dive into the latest and greatest in the world of tech. As always, signing off from Tech Tribe Gadgets. Stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the wonders of the deep. Until next time, Tech Tribe dive on.